Look closely at your overdue bills and empty fridge. You are trapped in a financial bottleneck. Every single dollar from your paycheck disappears before you even have time to process it. Your bank account balance is sitting dangerously close to absolute zero right now. You sink into the couch after an exhausting shift, completely drained of all energy. The clock keeps ticking as month after month slips away in total financial stagnation. High taxes and rising living costs slice away at your hard-earned pay stub every payday. Gas prices climb rapidly at the pump, consuming every bit of your discretionary income. Grocery store receipts keep growing longer while buying power continues to vanish rapidly. Credit card readers flash warning lights as interest rates silently drain your remaining cash. You bury your head in your hands, wondering how long you can survive like this. You are caught inside an endless hamster wheel, running tirelessly without moving forward. Outside, suburban life carries on while millions face this exact same silent crisis. Emptying your pockets yields nothing more than loose change and a few crumpled bills. Urgent red notices arrive constantly, demanding money you simply do not possess today. You drop the mail onto the kitchen counter beside an untasted cup of cold coffee. You pace across the room, watching time tick away while anxiety builds inside you. Red markers on the calendar highlight upcoming bills that leave zero room for error. Staring at the ceiling, you feel completely trapped in an exhausting survival cycle. Desperate for options, you turn around and walk toward your dark garage door. Your hand grips the cold metal doorknob, stepping inside to confront the clutter. As light cuts through the dust, you enter a space full of forgotten purchases. You stumble over tangled cords and stacked boxes blocking the concrete walkway floor. Sitting in the corner is an expensive pressure washer, untouched and gathering dust. Beside it lies a high-end electric chainsaw, still bearing its original retail price tag. Buried beneath broken gear rests a lawnmower you have not started in years. Power tools rest inside molded plastic cases, locked away without serving any purpose. You touch the cold steel of a table saw that drained your wallet summers ago. Every shelf is crammed with impulse buys that surrendered their value long ago. Adding up these forgotten tools represents thousands of dollars in lost working capital. Dust settles over these silent items, trapping your hard-earned money in total darkness. You realize these items have generated zero income since the day you bought them. You wipe away the grime, exposing shiny plastic that holds zero current cash utility. In financial terms, every single one of these items is a rapidly depreciating asset. Holding the chainsaw, you feel the burden of sunk cost weighing on your shoulders. You turned hard cash into locked liabilities that sit idle in your garage floor. These physical tools are illiquid assets that drain your overall financial net worth. Falling victim to consumerism locked your cash inside items that lose value daily. Navigating through narrow aisles, you realize your garage is actually stealing from you. You reach down and firmly grip the starter pull cord of the old push mower. The engine sputters with life, revealing functional utility waiting beneath rusty metal. Looking around, you realize this room is not a junkyard, but trapped liquidity. Sleeping capital is frozen all around you, waiting for action to unlock its power. Your mindset shifts instantly from feeling helpless to identifying dormant financial assets. Pulling out your phone, you prepare to convert these dead items back into real money. Sunlight illuminates the space as you formulate a practical step-by-step liquidation plan. You grab a clean rag and scrub months of grime off the idle pressure washer. The black casing shines once again, revealing a valuable tool ready for market. You capture clear, high-quality photographs from multiple angles using your phone camera. Cleaning the chainsaw blade carefully, you prepare it for immediate online resale. A sharp photo highlights the mint condition, making it attractive to local buyers. Opening Facebook Marketplace, you prepare to offer these assets to your community. You write a clear description and set a competitive cash price for rapid sale. Pricing below retail ensures immediate liquidity while recovering substantial trapped capital. With one tap, your listing goes live, instantly broadcasting to local buyers nearby. Next, you turn your focus to the functional lawnmower resting in the corner. Pushing the mower into bright sunlight, you prepare to unlock its labor utility. Checking the oil level and adding fresh gas, you ensure the equipment runs smoothly. A strong pull ignites the motor, roaring with steady power ready for active work. Listening to the engine, you realize you hold both equipment and physical capability. Your hands represent skilled labor ready to convert personal effort into direct revenue. Looking down the street, overgrown yards represent real demand waiting for quick solutions. The formula is simple. Combine idle tools with active labor to generate immediate cash flow. You draft a quick digital flyer offering local lawn care and pressure washing services. Attaching a clean photo of your gear adds instant credibility to your local offer. Posting on neighborhood groups connects your services directly with nearby homeowners. Setting your phone down, you feel purposeful momentum replace your previous anxiety. Seconds later, your phone chimes with an incoming notification from an interested buyer. Opening the message confirms your first service booking is secured for this weekend. Pushing your mower down the sidewalk, you step forward to deliver real value. You knock on old John's front door, offering a reliable solution for his lawn. He points to overgrown grass, glad to hire a neighbor for the weekend job. You start the motor, powering through tall grass with steady, focused determination. Clean lines emerge across the yard, turning raw physical labor into visible results. Sweat drips as you work, but every move builds momentum and personal independence. Trimming edges neatly gives the property immediate curb appeal and sharp finish. Sweeping clippings clear completes a high-quality job that earns genuine respect. Old John hands over $40 in physical cash, highly satisfied with the work. Folding the paper bills, you place your first earned active income in your pocket. Your phone vibrates with another notification while you walk back down the street. The buyer agrees to buy the pressure washer for $150 cash. A pickup truck pulls into your driveway, ready to complete the quick transaction. The buyer inspects the clean tool, thoroughly satisfied with its excellent functional condition. 3 crisp $50 bills are placed directly into your hand without any delay. Loading the tool into his truck bed seals a seamless exchange of mutual value. As the truck drives off, wide open space returns to your reorganized garage floor. The next morning, you connect a hose to wash a neighbor's dirty driveway. High-pressure water blasts through years of dirt, restoring the pristine concrete underneath. A sharp line of cleanliness spreads across the stone, showcasing dramatic visible transformation. The homeowner watches from the porch, thoroughly impressed by the immediate visual quality. She hands you an envelope containing $180 cash upon completion. Spreading your earnings across the table, you count the rewards of active execution. $40 from lawn care, $150 from tool liquidation, plus additional driveway earnings. You hold over $500 in clean cash earned through your own hands. Placing the cash next to paid utility bills proves you overcame your bottleneck. You take a deep breath as physical anxiety completely melts away from your mind. Cortisol levels drop while genuine confidence takes root within your financial outlook. This money was not granted by an employer. You created it entirely on your own. Looking into your garage, you see a clean, efficient space ready for opportunity. Where useless clutter once gathered dust, actionable financial clarity now resides permanently. You transformed from a passive consumer trapped by debt into an active wealth creator. Writing down new weekend bookings fills your calendar with reliable micro cash flow stream. Opening a high-yield account, you deposit your first $500 capital base. Green growth indicators chart a path toward long-term financial independence and security. You walk into your garage with a clear vision and total command over resources. Pulling on work gloves, you stand prepared to build real wealth every single weekend. Looking forward, you realize true financial control was inside your hands all along. Closing the garage door, you step forward with unwavering confidence and complete focus. Stop staring at pay stubs, look inside your garage, and unlock your real potential today.